I need to get together with my team right away. We have some things to discuss about our upcoming audit, and our tax attorney just called me with some new information and confirmed availability for a meeting tonight. So I'm going to open my right panel and go into my Outlook calendar, selecting Meet Now. This will automatically create a meeting for me without having to leave the platform, saving me lots of time. I'm dropping this into the channel and tagging at Now Channel. This notifies everyone that is currently active. It's a great feature to have, so I don't have to use extra time on checking who's on shift, who might be on PTO, etc. It just notifies everybody that's currently working. Now I'm going to add this to a task. I select the correct project and task name, and then Add to Task. I'll select both the meeting and the message. Inside the task, you can see those messages attached. I'm going to go back into the Outlook calendar integration, and I'm going to create the tax attorney meeting and link it to this task. Both the emergency meeting and the tax attorney meetings are now available here for all collaborators on this task. This provides the task card assignee and the collaborators a greater context to where the current status of the task card stands. I'm going to get into this meeting right now.